Most people are probably more concerned with how much money is saved in their piggy bank rather than wondering why exactly we save our spare coins in pig-shaped containers. So with that said, how did these containers get that shape? Containers for storing coins, known as money boxes or coin banks, have been used for centuries. To encourage saving, a small slit was placed on the top of a hollowed-out container so that coins could enter but not exit. Because the only way to get coins out was by breaking the container. They were mostly made out of cheap materials. Eventually, these simple containers evolved into piggy banks. Early piggy banks are hardly ever found. They were shattered in order to retrieve the coins that were saved in them, which makes it difficult to study their origin. Still, a couple of theories exist regarding how the piggy bank came into being. The most common legend on how piggy banks came to be created dates back to the 15th century. During the late Middle Ages, in Europe, metal was expensive and seldom used for household wares. Instead, dishes and pots were made out of an economical orange-colored clay called pig, P-Y-G-G. When people threw their spare coins into these types of pig containers, they started to call them pig banks. Eventually, through a misinterpretation of the word pig as pig, the animal, potters began to construct money boxes into the shape of pigs. As a result, the piggy bank was invented. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to Did You Know? And if you'd like to check out my channel, Think Fact, please click on the link. You might like what you find.